Hello everyone, today I want to teach you what is P and what is BR, what is EM and what is strong. I want to talk about these four elements. P means I want to write a paragraph for our website, like this: hello world. This is the example. This one BR, it doesn't have a closing tag. EM means your paragraph, your text will be italic. And what is strong? Your text or paragraph will be bold. Now I'm going to right click my HTML file. I'm going to write P, opening tag P, and between write this paragraph and then closing tag P. And now I want to make this word italic. Opening tag EM and closing tag EM, this word. Okay, you have to put it between EM. And now I want to make a code here before since BR. BR means you want to write a sentence from the new line. Start from new line. BR, it doesn't have closing tag. And now this word poem, I want to make it bold here. I have opening tag strong and then closing tag strong. Between them I have to put poem. And then close while save. Now I'm going to double click the HTML file. Okay, see, after since I start from the new line, and this word stylistically it's italic, and poem C, it's bold. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.